All right, so fixing those broken images on the test. I guess it was because I loaded them as pictures because they were from a PDF. So I loaded them as pictures. When I did it, it worked. But even in my original test that I made, I don't know, they didn't save. It doesn't look right now. So I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. Now there might be a better way, but this is what I did. All right, so you come in here and you want to edit the questions, so we can come to those passages. And then I just click the drop down to edit. And what I did was I went and found, I just Googled and tried to find online where I could just copy and paste text instead of an image, because that seems to always work better. So I found somebody who did this exact same assignment, and they must have typed it out for us. So I went and found that text, and if you copy and paste from a Word document and you paste the text in, it seems to work fine. So I just pasted that one in, and then I went back to that Word document. And here's the other one. And then I'll show you how to check it. Click save. And for some reason, I mean, if you look down here, because I went to check this one too, I had copied and pasted images on this one too, and it didn't work on this one for you. It didn't transfer over. So we'll need to put the writing task in here too. Hold on just a second. Okay, so on this one, mine saved, but yours didn't. So we're going to insert a saved image. And that might be the easiest way to do it. I don't remember seeing that option on the other box, but we have that option. So I just took a snip of the directions. And now we're going to insert that saved image and hope that that works. This image is decorative because we don't want any text to display. We just want the image. And then we will look and make sure that it saved it all. You can preview a test here and just see what it looks like from the kids' view. And there are the passages, and there is the writing task.